let's learn how you can add a nickname on Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device. So let us start by opening our Instagram application. Then you will have to go to your messages and go to chat with the person you want to change a nickname to. When you do this, you will have to click on chat settings. Just press on person nick, and once you open these settings, just click on a nicknames option, and as you can see, you can set your nickname and that person nickname you want to change. For example, let's put random, and as you can see, we changed our nickname. If we try to send a message, as you can see, it says test sent a message. So